Okay, hi everyone. Good day to all, and thank you for being here. And I would like to apologize because we didn't have the time to have our class in the afternoon because I was having a full day workshop, and that's why I'm having the class right now. And I understand that perhaps some of you are busy with something else or you are having any other classes at the moment. So I have prepared a recording for this particular class. And hopefully, for those who are not here, they will be able to watch the video, the recording of our class after this. Right? Okay. Right. So others has just joined in. Thank you for being here. And for today, I would like to go to our e-campus. All right. Mm, okay, PC1. Okay. I hope that my internet connection is good. While presenting. Okay, it's a bit slow, isn't it? Okay. Okay, first of all, in week 12, we are already in week 12. Oh my God. And in week 12, I have uploaded a listening assessment 2. Okay, so we had our listening assessment 1, and I have marked a few of you. And give me another a few days for me to finish everything. And after that, I'm going to check who have submitted and who haven't submitted. But the moment that I have marked everyone, I will tell you if yours is missing or whatnot. And coming back to listening assessment ones, most of you are not having any problem, major problem in terms of the assessment. As long as you follow the tablet, you are doing fine. Okay. And then here I have uploaded listening assessment 2 for you to look at. And this we're going to do listening assessment 2 together. So let's look at listening assessment 2. And in week 12, I already uploaded things that we are going to look at in unit 11, which talks about leadership. And then this is the listening practice for you to do. Okay, so now I'm going to start presenting with my laptop, and I'm going to start present with my tablet. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, I'm sharing you my screen right now. Okay. Sorry, I think that my internet connection is not that strong. So, okay. Can you see the one that I'm presenting right now, which is the listening assessment 2? If you can see that, I would like you to give me a thumb up. If not, thumb down. See? Give me a moment. Ah, see. Okay, is it thumb up now? Can you see it? Okay, good. Good, 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 good. Okay, right. Okay, so this is our listening assessment tool. And the same thing that you're going to do here is what you're going to do that you have done in listening assessment one. But the difference is that we are going to look at a new video, but still the same thing. You are going to look at to identify three main ideas and then three supporting details for each of the main idea. And in the opinion section, there is this particular question that you are going to answer. Okay, so basically about why communication is your greatest superpower. The question that superpower important to be a speaker who can convince people or a listener who can what is more important. Your Now, I would like to talk about this. I would like to talk about the assessment, how you submit the assessment. Okay, one, when you submit the assessment, do you even change the name of the file? That is one. Okay, I'm not talking about giving me your full name, just a short name. For example, Siti Norain, listening assessment to PC1. So I already know what the assessment is about. I already know which class you're from, and I know what's your name. So it's easy for me to locate you. That is one. Change the name of the file. Second, make sure that the file is in PDF. I know that you need the Microsoft Word version to fill in the blanks here. And then after that, I would like you to change, all right? Change the, okay, I need you to change the name of the file. Okay, when you answer it in Microsoft Word, I need you to change it back into PDF version. And in listening assessment 2, I have uploaded two files. I have it in Microsoft Word as well as in PDF. Why? It will be easier for you to look at the original version of it, because some Microsoft Word version will change the spacing, the fonts, the lines, and everything. So when you look at the PDF version, you can look at the original part of it. Okay? So use the Microsoft Word version to fill in all of your answers and then change it back to PDF before you submit it to the eCampus. Next, when we have the main idea, for example, you are writing the main idea here and then the main idea here. And of course, you are going to write your supporting details here, and the supporting detail will, of course, answering to the main idea. So let's say that if you have the supporting details on the second box, and this one will be the one for the main idea on the left. But I have found not many, but some of you when I read your answers, I know that you didn't check your submission. You didn't read it back. How do I know that? Because when I look at your answers, I notice that some of the supporting details is the same thing in the main idea. How can you have one particular information is in a supporting detail of a main idea and the same information is in the next main idea? That's just wrong. Okay, you can't have the same information, the same point as a supporting detail for a main idea and suddenly it became a main idea on its own. Okay, so avoid that. How to avoid that is I need you to read back your answers before you submit it to me. Okay, so write your main idea 1, 2, 3 and the supporting detail 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you are not having the same point, the same information on both supporting details and the main ideas. Okay, next, talking about this, the question, the opinion part of it. Basically, this is how you answer this particular question. This is really, really already detailed template. Okay, the question is here. Okay, the answer is not in the video, it must come from you. Okay, your opinion, your answer. I believe that what? Do you agree? Do you think it's more important to be a great speaker or great listener? I believe that it is more important, for example, to be a great speaker because reason number one, reason number two, and reason number three. These reasons will be here. Reason one, reason two, reason three. When you have the reasons, you are going to give explanation on the reason itself. Understand? Explanation meaning that why do you say that? If I give you an example, it's just like me giving you the answers. So you believe that great speaker is someone which a great listener because 1, 2, 3. Reason one, explanation. I say that a great listener is more important because this, and it shows when what? An explanation to the reason, explanation to the second reason, explanation to the third reason. Explanation can be an explanation, proof, any other important, any other supporting details that you can think of. Okay, so points, reason for your opinion, answer the why plus explanation. But when okay, be be considerate when you write write your answers. Do not have it too long. I know that you're trying to get marks, but do not have it too long that it will become a hassle for me to read everything. Try to be precise with your language and what you're trying to say. Do not beat around the bush when you're trying to tell me what you are going to do, what you are choosing. Okay? All right. Clear? Everything is clear. If everything is clear, send me this popping thing. Right, as usual, you have a week to do this. Make sure that you submit it early so that you can focus on other things. Okay, right, good. So this is done. Now I would like to talk about speaking assessment too. Before we do that, give me a moment. Can I show you what I want to show you? Okay. Okay, I can draw. Good. All right. Okay. One question. Answer me in the chat. Do you still remember your Muet speaking part two? Yes or no? Answer me in chat. If yes, write yes. If no, write no. Okay. Answer me in chat. Do you still remember your speaking assessment Muet part two? Anur and Faika don't remember. Okay, are into our speaking to just like your Mue part two next week. Uh-huh. Next week is week we are going to do this speaking assessment too. Speaking assessment 2 will be done just like MUE part 2. And in MUE part 2, you will participate in a small discussion based on given situation. If you're worried about not having any idea to talk about, don't be. You will find 5 prompts or keywords in the form of a mind map in the question paper to help guide your thoughts. 30 minutes to prepare your point, 8 to 12 minutes to discuss with other candidates. Here's a sample of question for part 2. So this is a sample question. I would like to have guys, can you hear me still? If you can hear me, okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Good, good, everything is good. I just got a notification that my internet connection is gone, but I think it has been restored now. Okay, so this is what we're going to do next week. During our class, we are going to divide you into groups of 4, and then I'm going to ask certain groups into the Google meetings, others will be out. For example, let's say that Nareen, Siti Nurain, Siti Aisha, and Nur Faika is in group 1. So I will invite, okay, group 1 get into the Google meeting, others get out. So Nareen, Siti Nurain, Aisha, and Faika will join the Google meeting together with me. This time around, I need you to switch your camera on. Right. During the test, I need you to switch your camera on. And then I'm going to show you this particular situation, not this one, not this individual, not this particular situation, but a similar style of question. I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to give you 3 minutes to prepare. During that 3 minutes, you can prepare by yourself and you cannot talk with your friends. Okay, in that 3 minutes, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the situation. For example, this one, there is an increasing concern about the quality of healthcare in Malaysia. In your group, discuss how healthcare can be improved. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the mind map, look at the center of the mind map, and look at how can healthcare best be improved, and then choose one or two key points that you would like to focus on. Let's say that you talk about education. So focus on the education, figure out main ideas that you can think when you are talking about education, and then think of supporting detail or any other proof that you have for this particular main point or main idea. Okay, focus on just one or two main idea and then figure out the supporting detail. One or two key points. You don't have to think of all of it. Just focus on one or two. And then after this, remember to talk with your friends. Okay, you get into the Google meeting. I show you the question, 3 minutes to prepare, and then after that, 8 to 12 minutes to talk, to discuss with your group members regarding this particular issue. And at the end of the discussion, decide the best way to improve healthcare. When I give you marks, I'm not looking for the person that win the argument or the way his way will be chosen at the end. No, I'm looking for your ability to talk, your ability to handle the situation, your ability to prompt your friend to talk, your ability to ask questions, to respond to questions, and so on. That is what I'm looking for. Okay? And of course, I'm looking for your key points, your supporting details, your main points, and so on. And of course, you are ready to talk. Kalau korang senyap, but you have good points, it doesn't matter if you can't deliver the points. Okay, after we have done with group one, I'm going to invite, okay, group two, get in the Google meeting, group one, get out. So the same thing with group two. That is what we're going to do next week, and we're going to do it that way because we are not going to meet physically. Okay, clear? Are you clear on that? If you're clear on that, send me some hearts. Hearts, heart. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, anything else? Any questions? Remember back, I have uploaded listening assessment 2 in the eCampus, and next week we're going to do speaking assessment 2. Speaking assessment 2 will be our last assessment for this particular semester. Let's say that we can't finish everyone for next week, week 13. We're going to continue with week 14. So week 14 will be the continuation of the assessment, speaking assessment 2. Okay, clear? All right, so again, I would like to apologize for having the class at night. And I have prepared the recording for this particular class. I'm going to upload YouTube and then share the link in the eCampus. One of you just joined in. I'm sorry, we are ending the class right now. And thank you, everyone. See you next week. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah,
Uh, how can I contact with you after this class?
you can personal telegram me or personal WhatsApp me.
I have no WhatsApp number. You.
Oh, I will share you my WhatsApp number in the Telegram group after this.
All right, sir. All right, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Alia. Thank you, everyone. See you.